All right, Jenka people, this is Morsha coming to you from Morsha's Reggae Lounge in the beautiful Dominican Republic on the beach in Sosua. One message for everybody, remember this in life. However you like to be treated, you treat people the same way and life will be better. Remember that. The world is like a mirror and it reflects what you do. If you face it smiling, it smiles back at you. Check this out. I have two beautiful ladies in the house. One of them is a Latin American. Adiós, chico. Es la Policía Nacional de República Dominicana. Beautiful one is Latin American, what we call Mexican black people, what you call black, but she's not really black. She's an Hebrew Israelite, because there's no such thing as a black person on this earth. And you guys need to know that. She ain't black. They call you black because they want to take you out of law and put you into a system where they can control your mind and have you running around and fighting. So all you people talking about you're black, you ain't black. You're the people of the Bible, you're the blessed people of the Most High. Amen. She's from the 12 tribes of Israel, and so is the sister that lives in America, which is Morocco. That's the land, that's the original land. So we're gonna talk to them a little bit. They came by looking for some food, and they said they're gonna give me a kiss. And I told her when she tasted the food, I want the kiss on camera.
It's so good.
What's your name, baby?
My God, Coco.
Oh, yeah, oh my God, it's Coco at that.
Yes,
now,
baby.
I want my kiss, but I want her friend to hold the camera first while she give me the kiss.
Oh my God, y'all, this food is so
on
good.
On the cheek. Okay, the kiss on the cheek, baby.
Wow.
Another one.
One more. One more.
Don't be jealous, guys. Now,
so
that's what she's giving me. Now, I don't know if she's gonna give me no kiss, but she loved the food too. But you know, I had to get that on camera because that's one of the best compliments. I've got lots of compliments, but that's one of the most personable compliments I've gotten, and I had to get this on camera.
Oh my God.
Now, the beautiful sister from Mexico. Speak some Spanish for them, baby.
I don't know how to speak Spanish.
Oh, but she's a Mexican, but it doesn't matter. She's Mexican. We have a lot of Latin Americans. Dime, mi amor.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, mamacita. ¿Cómo tú estás?
Así.
Oh, yo está tranquila. Yo está tranquila contigo, cocinando la comida buena, la pescado, tú sabes. She had the fish with the fried fish with green plantains. And how is the fish, mommy?
The fish is eating me.
So, I mean, they're cool people. I had to get them on my video. Look at that.
He was very nice to us. He told us to be more aware of what we're doing.
That's right.
And we appreciate you because, you know, we were talking, and he was talking, and we were unsafe. We had money in our hands and everything.
Yeah.
So I appreciate you and thank you for all the love.
Yeah, baby, no problem. And then, you see, she mentioned something very important in my place. I'm not a selfish guy. When my customers come, I look out for them also. You see the guy that came over here talking to you?
Yeah.
I chase him away because I don't want them to hustle you.
Yeah, because he was showing us his stuff.
No. I don't want nobody selling my customers nothing.
Right.
If you're gonna sell them something, you come and ask me if you can do it, and I go and I talk to them and find out if it's okay for them.
Nice.
Right?
Nice.
So that's my little peeps on the street. The little peeps on the street. They are the hustlers on the street.
Yeah,
but you know the funny thing, they ain't hungry, so I don't feel sorry for them. They got bank accounts with money in it.
Oh, okay.
But they give me respect.
Oh,
but yeah, people, it was a pleasure cooking for these young ladies. The way they showed up, I was like, you know what? I gotta hook them up. And I make them some curry chicken.
Yes.
And they are showing love.
Show them my food.
And look at that. Oh, it's almost done, baby.
All the time.
All the
This is
time.
fresh.
Look at that. Rice and peas.
Fresh.
I want
fresh
We don't get this where I live.
Where you at again? Where you live?
I live in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Oh no, you're not gonna get this. I gotta come up there and show them how to cook that.
Please, when you coming?
If I come back to America, I'm coming there. There's a lot of our people there, right?
Yeah, a lot.
I'm sure that I'll make
and
the
their
boom.
curry chicken is salty.
Yeah, because they don't.
Too fast.
Yeah, because they use coloring.
Yeah.
They use coloring.
It's salty. I get upset. It's
Yeah.
not good. It's not
they use coloring. It's not like this.
Look,
Look at that.
so good. Oh my God.
Seasoning, onion, scallion, thyme,
fresh,
everything. And she's just her chicken. This is a Dominican style fried fish. this fish was seasoned
That's
by a
good.
70-year-old Dominican woman that's been
Really?
doing this for years. So she seasoned it. She
No
put it
wonder it
together.
tastes so good.
I cater to everything here, and everything I do have to have good flavor in it.
Absolutely.
So
It's all about the flavor.
And
Dollar-
I never had plantains fried like this.
yeah,
It's so good.
and she's digging into that.
I love it.
Now, listen, people, like I said before, treat people the way you like to be treated, and the world will be a better place.
Man.
Amen.
Remember, you so-called, remember what I said, black people, you ain't black. Stop fighting amongst yourselves.
Yep.
Stop it, stop it, stop it, and learn to get together. Everybody else is getting together, and you're the only one fighting against yourselves. Okay, they laugh at you. You come to a foreign country, you don't even know how to support your own people when you come here. You don't support your own people. You run to the people that don't like you. All right? So you guys, it's about time you wake up. There's enough information on the internet to do that. So one love, peace out. Boom shakatak.
We are the children of Rastaman. We are the children of Africa unite. Because the children wanna belong, Africa unite. Because we're moving right out of Babylon. And we're grooving to